Alright, we're going to do another integration by parts example. This one is number 14. It says the integral of 4x times the secant squared of 2x. So we want to integrate that. Once again, if we let u be 2x in here, a du just gives us 2 and leaves an x on the outside. So a u substitution really doesn't work. You can try that and see it fall apart. But what we can do is we can break this into two parts. One, we need to be able to take the derivative of very easily, which is 4x, that's our u. And the other one we need to be able to integrate fairly simply, and that can be the secant squared of 2x. So that'll be my dv. So let's see, if u equals 4x, then du equals 4 dx. Okay. So that's going to let us plug some stuff into our integration by parts formula. The other thing here, dv equals the secant squared of 2x dx. We can integrate this using a u substitution. We can let u equal 2x, du equal 2 dx. So in that case, 1/2 du equals dx. So when I try and integrate this thing, I'll have v equals the integration of 1/2 secant squared u du, which will give me that v is 1/2 tangent of u. So going back to the original variable, will be 1/2 tangent of 2x. So in the u substitution scheme of things, I have u, du, dv, and v. So I need to put all that back together and see if it works out for me. So the integral of my 4x secant squared of 2x is u, which is 4x, times dv, which is the secant squared of, of v. I'm in the wrong place. Times v, which is 1/2 tangent of 2x. So let's label that before we keep going here. So over here we've got u for 4x and v for 1/2 tangent of 2x. And then we'll have minus the integration of v, which is 1/2 tangent of 2x, times du, which is 4 dx. So making sure you see where things come from here. Here is the v, here is the du. And this is going to work out very nicely. We're just going to bring down the first part. Actually, let's clean it up a little bit. That'll be 2x tangent of 2x. So we have minus the integral, and let's clean this up as well, 2 tangent of 2x dx. So that's another u substitution on the integration. U equals 2x, du equals 2 dx, 1/2 du equals dx. So if we make that substitution, we're still bringing down our integration here. So the first part's already integrated, but we're going to have minus the integral of 1/2 times 2 goes away, so we'll just have the integral of tangent u du. Oh no, so that's something we're going to have to look up because that's not something we have memorized. So let me pull out a sheet. I believe it's the natural log of the secant, but hold on. Yeah, I'm back here. So integral of tangent is the natural log of secant. So I'm just going to come down here and say minus the natural log of the secant of u, but u was 2x, so we'll just go ahead and put that in there. And there'll be a plus c at the end of that, and we got to keep bringing down the first part. So 2x tangent of 2x minus the natural log of the secant of 2x, and then plus c at the end of it. Okay, so we got to get to a point where we have integrated everything. Thank you.